Good morning, respected SSS and my dear friends. Today, my lecture topic is fake news. Fake news refers to false or misleading information presented as news, often spread through social media, digital platforms, and sometimes word of mouth. In today's fast paced information age, fake news spread rapidly and can influence public opinion, disrupt social harmony, and threaten national security. The major cause behind fake news include lack of media literacy, unchecked social media usage, political or economic motives, and the race for viral content. With ease access to smartphones and internet, misinformation can reach millions within minutes without verification. The impact of fake news is serious. It can lead to panic, social unrest, communal tensions, erosion of trust in institutions, and even violence. For countries like India, with its diversity and large population, fake news poses a significant challenge to internal security and democratic stability. To combat fake news, a collective approach is essential. The government must strengthen cyber laws and fact checking mechanisms. Media organizations should maintain ethical standards, while citizens must verify information before sharing. Awareness, critical thinking, and responsible digital behavior are key. In conclusion, fake news has emerged as a serious threat to social harmony, democratic values, and national security. In an era where information spread faster than truth, misinformation can create panic, deepen division, and erode trust in institutions. Combating fake news cannot be responsibility of government alone. It requires a coordinated effort involving responsible media, strong legal framework, and active citizen participation. Promoting digital literacy, critical thinking, and ethical journalism is essential to build resilience against misinformation. Ultimately, a vigilant and informed society is the strongest safeguard against fake news, ensuring stability and unity. Thank you.